Hey YouTube, welcome back everyone to my channel. We've got a little fried rice right here, quick, fast, and easy. We have veggies right here, green onion, our egg, our cabbage, our rice, soy sauce chicken, a little minced garlic, a little ginger. So we have pretty much everything, and our obviously seasoning will be soy sauce. So we've already have some chicken right here, some breast cut up. And we're gonna go ahead and fry up our vegetables. We're gonna use some oil. Make sure your pan is nice and hot. You don't have to put so much oil, it's all up to you. But we're gonna go ahead and fry this up. Add some minced garlic, like a tablespoon. Grate in some ginger, just a little bit, like half a teaspoon, and cook up the chicken here. Everything separately, and then we're gonna go ahead and add our rice in here. Fry up our rice. So we used about 2 cups, and then we threw in our veggies. They're perfectly cooked. They got some nice oil on them, and I added an egg. This is the way my daughter likes it, so I wanted to show you guys how she likes it. And you add about 5 tablespoons of soy sauce, and voila, you've got a delicious rice. Add your onions towards the end. I hope you guys enjoy this video. With that said, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you here on our next video. Take care, everyone.